Merry Christmas to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, President Museveni with the first family. This is Bishop Nassan Ibrahim of Days International Ministries and also Provincial Bishop of Born Again Faith, all the way from Acoli to Masindi. We are so blessed to have you as our President. This is Christmas time where we all wishing all our friends, our families, Merry Christmas. That's why I'm recording this, to ask you important and a huge sacrifice of a great gift that you can give to the Ugandans. Munzikirize nkozesa ennimi eziwerako olw'obulungi bw'eggwanga lyaffe Uganda. Oluvannyuma lw'okulira amaloboozi ga Dr. Besigye.
Useful, and I think that's why we are going to train those the drones. Like I've said, if we can have capacity to deal with the helicopter, that would be, we can deal with the helicopter.
Naye muzira waffe President Museveni, you have gone through a lot. Mukama akume bintu bingi. This is one of them, but God has been there with you from the beginning. The same God has been still with you. On behalf of all Ugandans, we understand the power and authority the President has. You have power to let somebody be hanged. You have power to let somebody be jailed forever. You have power to set one free. It is in your hand. But in the Christmas season, as Christians, we all celebrate the forgiveness of God after we sin against Him by sending His Son Jesus. According to John 3:16, for God so loved the world. The world was full of sinners, but God loved us regardless of the sins we had committed, and He gave us only begotten Son. Your Excellency, who could stand in your sight after someone is plotting to kill you, but to come and ask for pardon? It has to be a spirit of Christ. It has to be the spirit of a nation. I'm not supporting somebody to assassinate my best friend, my president. I wouldn't even dare to give a hand in that in a single way. You have the right judgment. But during the season of Christmas, and other people have already forgiven, Rwakasisi, Prime Minister of Toro, Sankaturam, and so many I don't even recall and remember. It is in a record. You have forgiven the people who are condemned to death. Can you give Ugandans the gift of standing in the whole country and say, Colonel Dr. Kiza Besigye, I have forgiven you, and let this man out of jail? I have 3 reasons why I'm asking for pardon. We all do mistakes, we all commit sins, but forgiveness is there. And I will address straight to Dr. Kiza Besigye. We have evidences of the words you uttered asking those drones want to destroy the President of the Republic of Uganda. Stand as a man in the presence and the eyes of the Ugandans, confess and ask forgiveness to something that you wanted to commit or to do, or to destroy the helicopter of the President of Uganda. Your Excellency, right now Besigye is in the court-martial, which you are a commander-in-chief. Let them go through the rules and whatever they want to do, but still all comes back to you. Can you give the Ugandans a gift of releasing Kiza Besigye, if at all he can stand and say, I'm sorry for the words I uttered or committed, whether he did or not, but you can still stand and say, I have forgiven you. Why? God disclosed those plots. That is a miracle. And that's why I'm standing to say, let Besigye be forgiven. But also I stand to say, It is still in your hands to do the right thing for the better of our country. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This is your friend, the movement Cadre. I always support you. God bless you, for God and my country.